Chevrolet. So this is basically just a follow-up video to the 1,000 mile video I made of this car. 1989 Chevrolet Celebrity Station Wagon. CL. Yes, it means something. Got these new wheels. I thought they were pretty cool. And they're 16-inch aluminum wheels. They have Kumho Extra tires on them. Really, I wanted to make this video just so everyone can hear the idle sound. I have a dual tip muffler from a V6 Camaro on it that the previous owner installed, and I think it has a pretty decent sound. Oh, there's the odometer right there. I don't know if you can see. It's 114,164 miles. That's a lot more than my last video. They have a Eurosport steering wheel, full gauge cluster, no tachometer though. Best stereo available in a Celebrity at the time. It's got a cassette deck. Cassette doesn't work though. So I'll start it up. Yeah. We'll open the hood. Put up the prop. There we are. 3.1 liters of fury. This is the dog bone that I got made of a couple of chromoly bushings and a piece of mild steel bar welded together. Way better than the stock rubber bushing aluminum piece of crap. My stock warm air intake. It's not too bad. It's got the old lifter tick that I'm sure you can hear. Let's go back here. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, one muffler. I think it's got a pretty good sound. I don't have anybody else here with me to rev it though, so this is all we're getting. Alright, actually I'll just put the camera down. Go up front and rev it real quick. A little bit more about the engine. It's obviously it's a 3.1 liter, even though badging on the side says that it came with a 2.8 from the factory, which is true. The previous owner, who was the son of the original owner, they bought it brand new in 1988. That was the guy's parents. Somehow managed to crack the block at 69,000 miles. How you're able to do that in such short mileage, I don't know. But he had a spare 3.1 from a Cavalier sitting around with a bad head. So he yanked the 2.8, took the heads off of it, dropped them on a 3.1. 3.1 went right back in, no problem. As such, it's probably running a Cavalier camshaft, so peak power is at 4,400 instead of 4,800, like it should be. Doesn't help the quarter-mile time, though. It was pretty pathetic. I went back to Las Vegas Motor Speedway recently. Ran an 18.37, which is not good because of the transmission, more than likely. UCL means it's got the velour interior. Nice soft velour. How to spot your 8-body wagons. This vent window here means it's got the 8-passenger option, third seat. Wagons without this window don't have a third seat. Some wagons came with a spoiler, mine did not. Some wagons came with a rear wiper, mine did not. Most came with a roof rack. Alright. I guess that's it. Chevrolet.